Hazy Artini Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We have got a little old Fridge 36 with us today. You know, when I think back, I remember several years ago when we built our first Fridge 36. You know, we did a lot of testing on it, cooked a lot of food on it. That was back when Lawson cooked food for me and all the guys. Now we're just stuck with Bojangles and McDonald's. Sad story. But anyways, the Fridge 36, just a classic. We'll cook some good food on it, guys. Really a great back patio smoker because it's a small footprint, really packs a punch. We'll open up the smoke chamber here. Like in all of our Fridge models, guys, this is our smallest. We got multiple. Hey, we're building a Fridge 72 in there. We'll build them big. You got 3 sliding trays, all right? So plenty of cook room in here. This is a reverse flow smoker, so it's got removable plates in here. That directs the heat all the way across the bottom, back out of the stack. Runs very smooth, really easy to run, guys. For those of y'all wanting something you don't have to sit around and babysit all day, the Fridge, that's gonna be your ticket. All right, now we did add a stainless steel shelf to this. Normally you get wire mesh. We upgraded to stainless. Got this little filler piece in there. We can't leave anything alone. We gotta go extra. On the hot box, guys, this is our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays. Y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space just in this hot box alone. All right, that's more than a lot of people's smokers. All right, just in the hot box. Now, this runs independent from the smoke chamber. So what that means is you can be running 2 different temperatures off the same fire. You can get it hotter or cooler over here. A lot of guys fire their smoke up just cooking the hot box. It does have a plate in the bottom you can remove and get direct fire in here as well. So very versatile option there. On the firebox, this is our standard firebox. All 1/4-inch plate steel whole smoker is. This sucker right here is probably about 900 pounds. She ain't light. Got our fire management cradle in there. There's an ash clean on the bottom as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Got an umbrella holder in the back. That is it for my man Joe's Fridge 36 here on the off-road package. Guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.